All right, guys, thanks to the 25% off coupon at Harbor Freight, I just came home with this 3/8-inch mini palm ratchet wrench. Let's unbox it, see what you get, and check it out. Okay, and here is the stubby ratchet out of the box. A couple things to note here. Number one, they are very adamant that you oil this daily or the warranty is void. It's like they're going to follow you around with someone to make sure that you put oil in it, which is kind of funny. How are they going to know? So anyways, that being said, we'll pop that guy out of there. And my first impressions of this stubby, it's pretty stubby. It's small, it's lightweight, but it feels like it's got some girth to it. It doesn't feel like a cheap, lightweight air ratchet, which is really cool. And of course, I need to put a fitting on there, but it's got a good rubber handle. It feels like it's a good working tool. So let's go ahead and throw a fitting in there, and we will see how this thing works. So one thing I really liked about this air ratchet is that the trigger has a pretty good responsiveness. It's not balls in or balls out like a lot of air tools. So if you want to back something out or tighten something up slowly, you can do it with this thing. So being a $23 air ratchet, I wasn't overly optimistic about this thing's power, but I have to admit it's pretty weak. When I hold onto this socket here, the ratchet can't even spin it. Take my hand off, it spins. Once I grab it again, it won't spin. So for 23 bucks, it's worth a gamble for small jobs though. All right, my overall impression, I think it's a cute little stubby ratchet. I think it's definitely worth the 23 bucks that I paid for it. If you've ever done brakes on a vehicle and you've taken the bolts off the rear bolts off the caliper, you know that they can be tough and they can be a real tight spot. So this thing might come in handy for situations like that. So I'll hold on to it and we'll see if it comes in handy. So that is the Harbor Freight 3/8-inch mini palm ratchet wrench. Hope you guys like the review and the unboxing. Make sure to smash that like button and take care. Thanks for watching.